Welcome to this lesson on large numbers. Today, we will learn about thousands. Thousands are the foundation for understanding larger numbers in English. By the end of this video, you will be able to recognize, read, and use numbers in the thousands range. Let's start this learning journey together. Let's understand what 1,000 means. 1,000 is written as 1,000 or 1,000. 1,000 equals 10 hundreds. In other words, if you have 10 groups of 100, that makes 1,000. This is the starting point for all large numbers. Every digit in a number has a place value. In the number 1,000, there are 4 digits. The first digit on the left is in the thousands place, worth 1,000. The second digit is in the hundreds place, worth 0 hundreds. The third digit is in the tens place, worth 0 tens. The fourth digit is in the ones place, worth 0 ones. Understanding these place values helps you read any 4-digit number correctly. Now let's practice reading thousands. 1,000 is the starting point. 5,000 means 5 groups of 1,000. 9,999 is the largest 4-digit number you can make. When you see a number like 5,000, you say the thousands part first, then add the remaining numbers. This pattern works for all numbers in the thousands range. Let's compare thousands and hundreds. The largest 3-digit number is 999. This is still below 1,000. When you reach 1,000, you enter the thousands range. Thousands have 4 digits, while hundreds have 3 digits. The comma between the first and second digit helps you identify thousands. This visual marker makes it easier to read large numbers quickly. Now it's your turn to practice. Read these numbers out loud. 2,345, 7,008, 4,560, 6,001. Say each number carefully, paying attention to every digit. This practice helps your brain recognize and remember the pattern of thousands. Let's explore the ranges of thousands. Numbers from 1,000 to 1,999 form the first thousand range. That's 1,000 different numbers. Numbers from 5,000 to 5,999 also contain 1,000 numbers. The same pattern applies to 9,000. Each thousand has exactly 1,000 numbers within it. This knowledge helps you understand the magnitude of thousands. Let's review what we learned. First, thousands start at 1,000 and go up to 9,999. Second, each digit position has a specific place value that determines the number's total value. Third, commas separate groups of 3 digits from right to left, making large numbers easier to read. Fourth, practice reading and writing numbers regularly to build fluency and confidence with thousands. Keep practicing these concepts, and you will master large numbers.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.